Hey, this is a quick disclaimer. I just brought a brick over to put underneath my cantaloupe, and it's too late. I want to show you why you have to put bricks under your cantaloupes. Let's go. This cantaloupe on a brick, doing great. That cantaloupe on a brick, doing great. This cantaloupe, look. It's too soft on the ground. So these two cantaloupes completely rot because of that. So I'm letting the birds have it. I'm coming back. Those cantaloupes, they just grew without me seeing them there, and they both went rotten. So now I see why people have told me to put bricks or wood underneath every cantaloupe as they grow. So now I'm gonna look in my garden and make sure there's no cantaloupe that's hiding from me. Here's a baby cantaloupe. Here's a cantaloupe right here hiding from me. So I'm gonna take this vine, I'm gonna set it right here so that it can grow right there, not have a problem. Here's a cantaloupe hiding from me. To rescue it, bring it up here onto there. So there we have two cantaloupes gonna grow in safety. Look, that one didn't have space to grow, so it already was growing in a weird shape. Okay, this vine was over here and I moved it to here because I have two cantaloupes that may grow right there, and that way they can grow on top of that brick. Just realized too that this entire tomato plant has completely fallen over. Look, it's coming from that side all the way to over here. Look at this. Wow. This tomato plant is huge. Oh my goodness, I had no idea. It's growing so big. I need to get a stick to hold it up. Okay, I'm putting one stick in the ground, another bamboo pole in the ground. Okay, so I just tied these sticks up here. You guys see a tiny watermelon growing?
Right there. Look. Right there.
Where?
Right there. Right here.
I don't see it. Oh, it is very tiny, yeah.
It's super tiny. Mommy, that's a cool
Yeah.
bit.
Cool. Wow, all of that was falling down is now all over here, and I'm like, wow, tomatoes do better in the ground than than in the container, because look at my container ones. Then this one's in the ground. I need to tie it again. Okay, I just added in these poles to make this stand up straight. I think I need to prune off all of the dead branches on here. Okay, so I cut off most of the brown leaves on it, and it's looking a lot better. Thank you for coming with me to maintenance my plants. Whee! Whee! Is that funny? Really high? 1, 2, 3. You're a superhero.
No, we're not superheroes. We are Elsa and Anna.
Yeah.
And Anna, we're princess.
Oh, I see.